Alright, we just came out of the Züricherbergtunnel. Thalwil, I think this is Thalwil. So that's the southern end. Yeah, Thalwil. And the point of the second part of the Züricherbergtunnel is to go kind of low below the Albisgütli mountains towards Zug. Right now it only goes to the other one that does exist now goes to Bar. So here's Lake Zurich. Nice view of Lake Zurich. So you're on the correct side to get a good view of it. So the rest of the other ones, the tracks you see below, those are ones that go to Glarus, Meinfeld, Kur, Zargons. We have a connection to a bus to the Principality of Liechtenstein and on to Feldkirchen in Austria and through Tyrol all the way to Innsbruck, Salzburg, and Vienna. Alright, so yeah, the Züricherberg Part 2 is still only in planning stages at this point. We're at, not really sure. Oregon. Got another tunnel. So this is not the Züricherberg. This is like the predecessor to Züricherberg when it does ever get built.